everyone, this is my review of this auto face tracking tripod plus selfie stick tripod. You can use the auto face tracking tripod by itself without the selfie stick because it has its own base that you can screw on the bottom. It also comes with two lights that you can put on either side of your phone so you can light up your area or light up your face pretty well. It also has a removable remote that you can connect to your phone so you can take pictures remotely while it's tracking you. Here I'm sitting and you can see it's tracking me. It's not using the camera on the phone, but there's a camera that's on the tripod that tracks my face. You can also use hand gestures to get the tripod to stop tracking you if you want to stop tracking you. This is a selfie stick / tripod that comes with it. You can use it in many different ways. You can attach your phone directly to it right here. You can also attach the auto tracking tripod to the top of it. It screws onto the top. You can also attach a light set on the top of it. You can use it in different ways as a tripod. You can angle it in different ways. You have a lever here that you can turn it, and when you pull it down, it locks it in place so it doesn't rotate. It also comes with its own detachable remote that you can connect to your phone via Bluetooth to take your pictures. So if you're not using it with the auto tracking tripod, you can use it separately. You can split the bottom so you can set it up as a regular tripod and use the remote with it. But you can also use it as a selfie stick, which I will show you that it extends pretty far out from you. So the remote does come in handy. It's not very heavy or unstable when you extend it so far out. It's pretty sturdy and you can take some pretty good pictures far out of yourself. Now I'm going to set them up together so you can see what it looks like with the auto tracking on top of the tripod. Right now, the auto tracking is tracking my face, so it's not using the phone. As you see, the phone is off and it's still tracking me. You can also click a button on top and you can do a 360-degree rotation of the area if you would like to. It also has additional buttons on top so you can turn off the auto tracking if you want to, or turn off the gesturing if you would like to as well. You can also adjust the brightness levels of the lights and change them between warm and cool lights. So I hope this review helps.